Have you noticed loud, messy activity around your wooden deck or garden? It might be carpenter bees drilling into the wood. Let's explore how these pests can cause significant damage and what methods can help control them. Carpenter bees, unlike other bee species, are known for their drilling behavior. They create holes up to half an inch in diameter directly into wood to lay eggs and store food. These bees prefer untreated wood, such as decks or windowsills. Painting or varnishing the wood can deter carpenter bees from nesting there. Carpenter bees can cause extensive damage over time, weakening structures and leading to costly repairs. They often return year after year to the same nesting sites. To control carpenter bees without toxic chemicals, one can use natural deterrents like cedar oil or fill nest holes with wood putty to discourage future nesting. Prevention strategies include regular inspection of wooden structures and applying protective treatments to prevent damage before it starts. Understanding carpenter bees helps in maintaining the structural integrity of outdoor wood. Their unique nesting habits can be managed with a combination of preventative measures and natural controls. Now that you know how carpenter bees affect wooden structures, what steps will you take to protect your home? Share your prevention strategies in the comments.